Budget 2026 would be presented in the backdrop of geopolitical uncertainties, US imposed tariffs, however balanced by robust domestic GDP growth supported by strategic reforms. The expectation from the FM around Make in India, GST and customs are as follows. Make in India. There is an expectation that existing manufacturing-led capex incentives would continue, with particular interest in auto, capital goods, emerging sectors like semiconductors, aerospace and defense. A sustained focus on employment generation, including through GCC-led growth, would be encouraging. GST slab rationalization reflected a structural shift aimed at simplification and supporting consumption. However, rate rationalization has led to accumulation of GST credits in some sectors, and industry would expect some policy roadmap on this. The industry would also expect legislative amendment treating intermediary services as exports, unlocking significant working capital currently stuck in refunds on interpretational disputes. Customs. Industry would further expect lower imported duties on key raw materials, rationalization of tariff structures, deeper digitization for smoother clearances, and an amnesty framework to help address legacy disputes. Budget 2026 isn't just numbers. It's about boosting growth, jobs and investment, while keeping India's economy resilient and globally competitive.